Hey guys, thank you for clicking into this. So here are the 4 pairs that I bought. This looks on me. Man, why am I nervous? Okay, so I'm just gonna go right ahead and talk about the frames that I got. First one. Guys, my name is Suzette. Thank you so much for clicking on into this video. Today's video is super special because it's a brand that I love now. It's called Eyebuydirect. I bought 4 pairs of prescription glasses during their sale of buy one get one free plus 15% off additional. I bought 4 pairs and it's amazing. I knew about this brand from my friend Evelyn. Because of her, like, I really fell in love with this brand. It's a really cool website because it allows you to shop independently, and I like how it's like a double meaning in their name, like Eyebuydirect, like Eyebuydirect and Eyebuydirect. It's really clever, and I honestly spent a lot of time on the website, and I'm sure you will too. And basically it allows you to try on the glasses virtually. So it's just gonna add, you have your picture and it's just gonna add the frame into like your eyes. I wouldn't say it's that accurate, but it did help me to notice which frame suit me better, like round or square. So that part, it did help. I'm just gonna like stop the blah 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 because I'm really here to do a try on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right away to the try on. Here are the 4 prescription glasses that I bought. I'm super happy, and I'm gonna go in any order. So this one, it comes in a cute box, all of them. This one comes in a pouch. It's a 2-in-1 pouch and a cloth to clean the lens. Okay, so this one is called Saint Michel. I know the names by heart. I've been on the website. I spent too much time on the website. This one is Saint Michel. It's super cute and it's in gold. I'll link everything below. So this is how it looks like. No need for adjustment. It suits me really good. I have a nose pad for support, and as you can see, I also added the blue light feature for this one. You don't have to, it's optional, but just to protect your eyes when you're on the screen a lot. It's very different from what I usually wear, but I really like it. I like to have different glasses because depending on what I'm wearing or stuff like that, it does depend on the outfit sometimes. But yeah, I like having a lot. Not a lot, but I like having options basically. So this is the first one. Face to face, eye to eye, feel the same, you and I. The frame itself is $45. Okay, so on to the next one, to the second one. Here is my second pair of prescription glasses. Okay, this one is called Chilling. It looks like this. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's something I've always wanted. I always like this type of design. And this one is a color turquoise. This is how it looks like. It is tight at first when I put it on, but I guess with time it's gonna stretch out a little bit. So this is how it looks like. So it's definitely more of a bolder look for my face. It's also a bit big, but it's something I always wanted. I mean, it was 27 bucks, and I like to have different options. This one didn't have any nose padding, but I'm fine. It's really comfortable. It stays on my nose. It doesn't really touch here. But yeah, I really like this one. Super different. It's fun. I can dress it up. And also, this one is not in, this one is in a standard lens. I didn't get any blue lights for the others, only for the Saint Michel one. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Super fun. I can perfectly. So yeah, I like it. Okay, so my third one. Okay, this is a bigger box because it came with a free case. I believe when it's $99 and plus you have a free pouch case. So this one is called Aura. This one is one of the most expensive frame that I bought. It's called Aura in champagne. It's translucent. I would say this is one of my favorite. So it looks like this. It's super in style. I don't think you can see it right now. Right now it just looks transparent, but there is a hint of champagne, so a little bit of brown, so it blends in with my skin tone. So it's not as bold as the other one. And translucent, I'm sure it goes really well in any skin tone. I was super happy with this purchase. I would say it's one of my favorite one. That is why the next pair is actually the same glasses called Aura, but it's in another color. It's similar, but it's called Aura, but in champagne. So just the name champagne, but in matte. So it looks like this, same shape. So that's how it looks like. This one too is my favorite. Basically the Auras are my favorite. The only downside with this one when I first got it is that it's wide. It's wider than the other one. The other one was perfect, but this one is wide. I don't know why. It's the same size and everything. But anyways, I can always adjust them in my clinic. So this is how it looks like. This is my fourth pair now. So here you go. Yeah, definitely this is my favorite and the translucent one. But I love them all. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Still I wish I could rewind, okay, so I hope you guys like the review and the glasses I got. Let me know which ones are your favorite ones. Mine's are the Aura. You can tell because I bought two Auras. I'll link everything in the description, and also the price, it's going to be on the link as well. But for my total for these 4 prescription glasses, I paid $224.81 for everything. I believe I have to add, oh yeah, that's already with the shipping, because the shipping was $9.95 for Canada Post priority. So yeah, everything was $224.81 for the 4 prescription pair and the shipping cost. So that's really, really good for 4 pairs. My pair that I bought in the clinic was like, let's say 500 something, because it was like branded, like it was BCBG and everything like that, and like very high end. And I'm like, nope, Eyebuydirect. So yeah, let me know which ones are your favorite. Comment down below if you prefer the Chilling on Me, the Auras, the 2 Auras, and the Saint Michel. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in if you did throughout this whole video. I will be making more videos on reviews and try-ons, also hauls, so subscribe if you're into that. Also, like this video if you found this really helpful. Let me know which pair of glasses you're gonna get. Alright, so that is it. Thank you guys so much again, and see you on my next video. Bye!